Welcome back to Malamic Art. My name is Mickey and today I have an unboxing. So I've been compiling a bunch of handmade paint. I don't know if you've noticed, but mostly what I'm buying now is handmade watercolors. And today it's Stoneworks Mill, and I found them on Instagram and I've been following them for a while, and I caught a live stream that they had and I decided just to watch, and I was convinced that these guys are pretty awesome. They do everything ethically. Even the honey they use is in their paint is sourced ethically, or the people that make it are ethical with when they take the honey from the bees, etc. So these guys do everything by hand, and look at this. What a gorgeous package. I mean, honestly, this honeycomb sticker tape is so cool. Love it. So here's a little package. Here is their branding. And this is like a washi tape feel. So you could even reuse this if you wanted to. Let's see. Yeah. So here is their card and crafted art supplies. And this is Kelly and their husband and wife team, Kelly and James Fowler. And she's been holding the fort lately because I guess he's deployed or something. I'm not quite sure. So here's instructions for care, which is on very cool. Oh, what's this paper? Well, it's transparent, but there's like it's a wax paper feel to it. And I'm waiting to see what I can't remember what. I think I bought a fall package and one single in here. And it's all very nice. Look at that. That's lovely. Yes, okay. Falling Leaves, Autumn Palette, and their Strata half pan. I can't wait. I'm so excited. And you can already tell that they put care into this. Isn't that nice? A little nice note. Very sweet. Almost like it's a little ornament. But I guess these come together, so I gotta pull this out. Isn't that sweet? Oh, it's almost like a black color or blue. I think it's black. Great for Halloween. Isn't that nice? Cute little box. Christmas is coming up, so I can reuse that. And here is a sample she's sending out with these orders. This is Kingfisher, and it's made with a Prussian blue and a chromium oxide, which kind of separates, and a titanium white. And it's supposed to look really cool. And she was on her live stream, she was like, this kind of looks like bird poop, and she was laughing about it. So she's so cute. So let's go ahead and open this. Cute little satchel. Love it. Oh wow, look at that. So pretty. I don't know, can you see how it's sort of sparkly, almost like it's been surfaced somehow. That's very, very beautiful. Let's go ahead and pop it open. Aha! So I have the fall. Oh, and I think this is the Strata on the side here. This is like all natural foam, I think. I guess this is for, oh, she's given us a sample. These like stickers. And maybe this is for, I'm not quite sure. So here is a little bit of foam. Here's looks like I got a quarter pan of Strata. I guess. Okay. That's cool. That magnet is amazing. Look at that. Woo. And I wanted to take this out so I can grab this. Look at that. Sponge. That's real sponge. Very cool. So let me just see. Yeah, quarter square pan. That is super neat. I want some of these pans. They're so tiny. Look at that. So Strata is a brown, but it's a NBR8 pigment, which is fugitive, but any brown is a good brown, so I wanted to try it anyway. And this is Terra Verte, and these magnets are amazing. And we have Armenian Purple Ochre, and she has given the pigment information on this, but I'll have to look it up. Those magnets are so strong. And Orange Oxide and Deciduous. Okay. So this is going to be really fun to swatch out. So I'm going to see if I can put that little Strata in the middle. Yep. Maybe that'll be okay there. So very cool. And let's go ahead and swatch these out. I'm just going to look up some pigment information, and then we'll be swatching on these Stonehenge Aqua cold press and hot press, because pigments lay differently on different papers. So I wanted to check them out on both surfaces, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back from nitpicking, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch these out, starting with the Armenian Purple Ochre, which is made of a PR 102. And so it's already beautiful because it's very violet brown color. And I'm going to also do the hot press. They use honey, but they also use gum arabic, which they grind themselves. And knowing handmade paints, I decided to go ahead and wet these before I swatch them, because natural pigments tend to need a little bit of soak time. Wow, I don't know if you can see this, but this Deciduous has mica, iron oxide, raw umber, dark, and PR 101 in it, and it is shiny. It probably won't show so much on paper. Well, yeah, it is kind of. But that's beautiful. I'm blown away at that. That's just so much fun. Very very nice warm brown here. And again, I'm gonna do some swirls with that mica. So pretty. I just want to keep swirling it. So it does move down the paper a little bit. This paper is on a slant. I work with my work a little bit on an angle. Otherwise it would be like this. And that magnet was really, really strong. So now I'm going to try the Strata. It was gorgeous, deep, cool brown. It's also got a little bit of a sheen or a glint to it a little bit. Just barely. It's so cute, that little tiny guy. Okay, let's go for the Terra Verte, which is a PG 23, and I'm trying to see if I have another one Daniel Smith does this in what's called rare green earth with this same particular pigment. And just this single pigment, the PG23. And I'll tear down my page to show you what the comparison is. Very, very subtle Terra Verde, but you'll see this a lot. This very subtle green for this particular pigment. You can feel the grains in it too. Beautiful, very pretty. Can't wait to mix these and see what they do with mixes. Next is, I'll show you what the Daniel Smith PG23 looks like. If I can get this out. There we go. So here is Daniel Smith's Rare Green Earth, or PG23. And for comparison, all right, next is Beautiful Orange Iron Oxide. See that yellow come right up. Wow. Very opaque. It's covering those letters, but it's definitely a huge payload in that color. Beautiful. Really cool. So this is a combination of PR101, which is a Venetian red, or a burnt sienna. It's got so many names. And a PY42. Oops. That magnet says, nope, I want to be with the metal. And last, but not least, is this Kingfisher, which I did not pre-wet. But look at that. Wow. This has PB27, PG17, which is, I think a chromium oxide, a green chromium oxide. Look at that. That's beautiful. She's wondering whether to actually sell this, and I really think she should, because look at that. It's really pretty. And here is it on the hot press. So that paint does move. Look at these gorgeous colors. It's really pretty. I can already tell that all of them are granulating, which are my favorite anyway. But I think when you're working on cold press, you'll see more of the pattern of the paper through them. And hot press, they'll sort of show you their own composition on the paper. So let me let this dry and I will work on something. I just want to say thank you, Kelly, so much for these beautiful paints. I'm so happy with them, and thank you for giving me this free sample here. I am absolutely delighted, and I already know that these are going to be gorgeous. I'm actually going to work on a portrait with these. I know this is meant for landscape, but I know that this combination can give me a nice skin tone, especially with that PY42 in there, and the other colors to tone them. Look at that purple ochre. It's just really popping out from those browns. It's really beautiful. So let me let these dry and I'll be right back. So I gotta say, I really liked playing with these paints. I think they are definitely worth it. And it's really great to support people who are really taking, have a great passion for their work. It's infectious, you just want to support people who really love what they do. And this is a great opportunity for you to do that. So, yeah, I've been doing a little mixing. These are really great. I would say it's imperative to have this addition to this set, because it really brings this whole set alive. Without the Kingfisher, this Terra Verde sort of pales. so you really kind of need that blue, or a turquoise, I should say. So I'm really glad she included it with this set. And I can't really say enough. Just go ahead and order from her, and support her and her husband and her passion. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to do a time lapse really quick, and I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves.